up? Just want to give a shout out to all the dancers in Germany, France, and Austria. I'll be coming to teach you guys soon. I'll be touring with Johnny from LA. We'll be going there from March 20th to April 1st. So if you guys can come out, there's a lot of cities that we're dropping by. Details and find out if we're coming to a city near you. So go and register. This is Motionz Dance School. So go register online and come dance with me. I'll see y'all there. Alright?